This call is now being recorded.
All right. So we begin. Good morning to all of you, and a warm welcome in the ANDC family, all of you. So, respected colleagues and my dear students, uh, today we are going to, welcome you and clear all your doubts which you had. In fact, आपके मासूम सवालों से मैं बहुत परेशान हो चुकी हूँ. That's why I decided to, give a presentation in a way where I can settle all your doubts. Ankit, can you start with the slides? Ankit, can you start presenting your screen?
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, Ankit. Ankit is your senior, and I think all of you are very well feel linked with him, and he's been working hard with you also.
I hope my screen is visible, ma'am.
It's your screen is visible, Ankit. Okay. So, welcome to the orientation day, and Department of Commerce welcomes you. And we have our tagline as churning fortunes, and we'll justify or will tell you how this tagline, is well fit for our department. Next slide, Ankit. So, welcome. These are some memories. Our old students. And let's begin with the virtual lamp lighting. Our two senior most teachers are doing it. All right. So something about the department. Since you are new and you have a lot of questions in your mind about ANDC, about Commerce Department. So let me begin with telling you that our department, our family is as big as 306. 105 students have been admitted in BCom Honors first year. We have 96 students in BCom Honors second year and 92 students in BCom Honors third year. So, and including 13 teachers, we are over 300. So, we are a big family and we offer BCom Honors. So, the department offers Bachelor's with Honors in Commerce, which is a very popular and illustrious course of University of Delhi. And our students have interned in organizations of repute like MetLife, ICICI, Ernst and Young, United Airways, etc. So that shows that our students are not only they are getting good practical exposure, but you'll realize later that they are well placed also. And many students from commerce are part of innovation and entrepreneurship development cell, that is IEDC. Yesterday, if you have attended the college orientation program, now you must be well aware of the e-lab. So commerce students, are actively engaged in the various events organized by it, and Tisha will later explain and tell you how um, how her journey of 2 years in college and how she has learned and how she has contributed to this e-lab and what all she has learned. And this IEDC entrepreneurial venture, has this Acharya Narendra Dev Youth Andy, uh, uh, which makes chemicals free soaps, sanitizers, etc. So that's the USP of this department, one of the important USP. Next. Uh, we have a very active department society, the Commerce Society. We have named it as Vanijay, and it performs or all around the year. It performs a lot of activities. Say it. I mean, as you have entered, you will be welcomed the next event which Vanijay is planning is a freshers party for you. It will be followed by an annual festival, Corco Maze, because we were waiting for first years. And again, the idea of this society is, for building up the problem solving skills of students and to enable them to counter challenge in some way or other. So this year we have also introduced a new committee, a new society, Bodhini, which is the Academic Events and Research Committee. And the idea is to instill among students and faculty some critical thinking, research capabilities, and discussion. So at ANDC, we discuss, we disagree, and we learn, we evolve through these societies, and you will get to know about them later in details by our students only, because we work as a group, we work in tandem, both the students and the teachers, and try to bring out, the best out of the students. Excursions are an integral part of the curriculum. Why? Because they enable the students to explore, extend, and enrich their learning capabilities and social skill development. So to enable this, annual departmental excursions are, organized especially for the second year students, since they are on the threshold of taking some professional decisions. So excursions are also an integral part, and through videos and through photographs, we have later on tried to tell you how students have learned or how they have enjoyed throughout thoroughly through these excursions. All right. Then in the past, to enable students to voice and develop their opinions, some students were given an opportunity to participate in a famous talk show on NDTV India to discuss issues related to topics like Khap Panchayat and their role in contemporary society. Last but not the least, we take pride to boast about the professional success of many of our students who are well placed after college. And our senior most faculty, Ms. Sangeeta Relan, will later on in the presentation take you through the journey and tell you how alumni is, performing and how well they are placed. She'll take through us to that journey. Okay, next, Ankit. Now, next in line is, faculty is an integral part, and our commerce department has 13 faculty members, and I have listed here, but I'll talk in details about each one of them, that how talented and how knowledgeable our faculty is, and you are really lucky to have them. And a brief profile I'm going to talk about in my slides. The details you can check out from the website. If you want to know more about your faculty, you can visit the website. Next. So we have a group photo of our faculty members. Next. All right. So beginning with our senior most faculty, Ms. Sangeeta Relan. She's an associate professor with over 30 years of teaching experience and has been part of the college since its inception. She's been a top ranker with specialization in microeconomics, insurance, and finance. She's also been the coordinator of Yuvodaya, an add-on course in insurance. She's keenly interested and involved in the activities of Alumni Affairs Committee. And over the years, she has contributed to the corporate life of the college, and she was awarded Nishtha Service Award by the college in appreciation of 25 years of dedication and outstanding service to the college in 2017. She also runs a blog about her.in, where she regularly publishes short stories, book reviews, and articles on topics of general interest. The idea being to the idea is to motivate and inspire the girl students. So she is a source of inspiration, and I will tell you, she is the most popular teacher of our college, and well connected with the alumni. Um, you yourself will explore, or you'll yourself will find this when you attend the classes, or you get the opportunity to interact with your teacher. Next. Okay, so we have Miss Sadhna Gupta. She's an associate professor. She's a very diligent teacher. She specializes in law, finance, and organizational behavior and development. She has over 34 years of teaching experience to her credit. And over this span, several contributions have been made by her in various important committees like examination, canteen, and PF, of which she was also the convener. She's been the proctor of the college. And at present, she is, the member of, currently, she is member of the proctorial committee and the mentorship committee. And uh, she's a very dedicated and a very regular teacher, let me tell you. Of all of us, though we take classes, but she's the one who's the most regular and most diligent teacher. So next. All right. So we have Dr. Surinder Kaur. She's an associate professor, again a very hardworking, a diligent teacher with a specialization in accounting and finance, and she will teach you financial accounting in the first year. So uh, the financial accounting paper will be taught by Dr. Surinder Kaur. She holds a doctorate degree in the area of accounting from the prestigious Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi University, and has a teaching experience of over 26 years to her credit. She has a keen interest in understanding and learning new technologies used in teaching. Um, she's also, interested in research, and therefore she has also successfully completed an innovation project on Digital India under the aegis of innovation projects which were allotted by the University of Delhi, and um, uh, I was her co-PI as far as this innovation project is concerned. And she's also the co-convener of Bodhini Society, the teacher convener, and she will also later talk about the society, and she will encourage you what all the society aims at, and what all we expect from the students. And any one of you who has research bent of mind can join Bodhini Society, and ma'am will talk in detail about it. Next. Okay. So we have Miss Poonam Chauhan. She's an assistant professor with a total teaching experience of 18 years. She specializes in finance, and she's actively worked for various committees like annual events, fellowship, canteen, and garden committee. She's been the liaison officer of the college and a very hardworking teacher. Um, you'll get to know, and you'll meet her in the second year. Okay. So next. So we have Miss Anuradha Sareen. She's an associate professor who specializes in tax, finance, and organizational behavior. She has an experience of over 24 years to her credit. She has enjoyed her stint as convener of the editorial committee in 2005 and 6, during which she brought out a newly designed prospectus and new looking college magazine, Insight. At present, she is a member of examination committee, and She's also pursuing her doctorate from Department of Commerce, Delhi School of Economics. And she's again a very popular teacher, a very hardworking teacher among of our department. Next slide, please. So next we have Miss Rupali Papreja. She's an associate professor who specializes in finance and law, and she has a total teaching experience of 22 years. She has developed an e-learning module on central sales tax for University of Delhi. She's also the convener of Equal Opportunity Cell of the college for a span of 2 years, and she worked for the upliftment of physically challenged students. She's also engaged in the welfare of women students as a member of Sashakt committee. So she's again a very loving and a charming teacher you would love to study from, and you will meet her in the second year. We have Dr. Sandeep Kumar Goyal. He's an associate professor, very hardworking teacher, and very popular, and he works diligently with the students, and he helps in the overall personality development of the students. You will get benefited by his advices and his knowledge. Sandeep is like, he specializes in banking and finance. He holds a doctorate degree in the area of banking and has a teaching experience of over 21 years to his credit. He takes keen interest in theater, research, and social service. So, can you find out how diverse his profile is? He's an executive member of Indian Accounting Association. He has been convener of Theatre Society and add-on course on effective communication and personality development through theatre. He is also the teacher or faculty convener of the Society Bodhini. Okay, next. So next it's me. Most of you have talked to me during admissions. I'm your current teacher in charge, and I specialize in management and finance. I have a doctorate in area of banking from Faculty of Management Studies, University of Delhi. I've written course materials under UKD project, and have also contributed to the content creation of BCom honors course at IIIL University of Delhi. I've presented research papers at various national and international level. I've contributed to chapters in the edited books and research article in journals of repute. Apart from academics, I'm also interested in participating in the cultural activities of the college, and I'm convener of SPICMECE and teacher in charge uh, of Commerce Department. Now, next. We have Dr. Jitendra Goyal. He specializes in accounting and finance. He's a PhD in the area of accounting from Jamia Millia Islamia University. He has a vast experience of over 15 years in the field of teaching and research. He has published and presented various papers in international journals and conferences, the various committees, and contributed to the corporate life of the college. He has organized the many webinars in the recent past on marketing, insurance, and income tax. He is currently the co-convener of Vanijya, the Commerce Society of the college, and an active member of the Bodhini Society. And he is also a member of Theatre Society and Proctorial Committee currently. Next.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I'm sorry, just I got to know that my mic was left open. Just a second.
Now it's fine. Okay. So we have another faculty, CA Yas Sain. He's an assistant professor. He did his post-graduation from Department of Commerce and got 11th rank in the entrance exam. Then he became a member of prestigious Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. He has deep interest in accounts, tax, and finance. He possesses a unique blend of corporate and teaching experience. During his last job at HSBC, he worked under the brokerage head and contributed to the preparation and presentation of financial statements. And after that, he joined Acharya Naren Dev College because he wanted to, follow his passion of teaching and having a keen interest in students nurturing his vast professional experience, and he wants to bridge the gap between classroom and corporate cubicle. Next. We have another faculty, Mr. Ankit Singh. He's an assistant professor, has been working in the Department of Commerce for last 5 years. And he's completed his graduation and post-graduation from University of Delhi. His areas of interest are taxation, investment, and finance. He has published articles and research papers in peer-reviewed journals. And the topics on which he has published are exchange-traded funds, social marketing, introduction to green marketing. And he's been a part of various faculty development programs, seminars, and workshops which are conducted by different colleges across the University of Delhi. Next. We have Miss Hanisha Bhagat. She is currently pursuing her doctorate from FMS Delhi University. She has a teaching experience of more than 3 years. And she's an MBA from prestigious FMS Delhi University. And she's also, interned with PricewaterhouseCoopers in the tax division. So again, a very hardworking and a loving teacher. Next. And Hanisha ma'am, Jitendra sir, Ankit sir, Yas sir, Hanisha ma'am, and now Sapna ma'am, you are going to meet them in your first semester. So Miss Sapna Yadav, she is a assistant professor in the department, and she's completed her graduation and post-graduation in economics from Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. She's also an MPhil, and she's currently pursuing PhD, and she has a total teaching experience of over 7 years. So this is all which I wanted to tell you about the faculty. This is the profile of the faculty. Why I have told this profile is that many of you have not met us. So through this presentation, I have tried to give an introduction to our department, to our faculty, and now I'll talk about in my next slides about the course, the BCom Honors course. बहुत से सवाल थे कि मैम हमें क्या पढ़ने को मिलेगा, कौन पढ़ाएगा, कौन किताबें देगा. आदत पड़ी हुई है ना स्कूल की कि पहले से ही सब मिल जाएगा, but wait for a while. In semester 1, your BCom Honors have, the structure is like this. You have 2 core papers. After that, you have a general elective, 1 general elective paper, and you are given 3 options. जिसके लिए आपको एक फॉर्म मैं अभी आपके ग्रुप पे शेयर कर दूंगी, so that you can, fill that form and fill your choices which general elective paper you want to, study. And then you have your ability enhancement. ये जो AECC है, ये ability enhancement compulsory course है. So as far as your 2 core papers are concerned, you have financial accounting. This will be taught by Dr. Surendra Kaur. Then you will have business law paper. This will be mainly taught by Hanisha ma'am. plus one section Mr. Ankit Singh will take few lectures, and for another section um, we have Jitendra sir. All right. For general electives, we have a choice between economics, English, and physical education. Generally, we advise our commerce students opt for economics. And we are giving economics as an option in our college. Then on this ability enhancement compulsory course, we are offering you environmental studies. This paper will be taught by a faculty from zoology department. He is Abhay Pratap Singh. All right. Then next slide.
Shalu, 2 minutes.
हाँ, हाँ.
Sorry for interrupting in between. ठीक
नहीं,
है.
नहीं.
Just came in to say hello to first year students and faculty members of Commerce Department. And I, on behalf of Acharya Narendev College, welcome first year students to the Commerce Department of the college. And I hope that you will have a memorable and fruitful stay in the Commerce Department of the college. So I think you all are very lucky ones that you have such a good faculty in your department. All the teachers are very student friendly and cooperative. If you have any doubts or problems, you can contact any of the faculty member of the commerce department and your problem will get solved. So you should not be hesitating in contacting any one of the faculty member of the department. So, welcome once again to the Commerce Department of Acharya Narendev College and wishing you all the best. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Shalu.
you.
And so
Thank you,
sorry for
sir.
interrupting in
No, no,
between.
not at all, sir. Not at all.
Take care. Okay, now I would like to leave also
All
since
right.
I have to go to other departments also.
I
Okay,
understand.
carry on, carry on.
Yeah, I
Okay, bye,
understand.
bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Ankit,
We are very sorry, guys. It's just a network error. Ma'am will rejoin soon.
What's happened, Ankit?
Ma'am, maybe there's a glitch on Shalu ma'am's side.
Can someone call her and check?
Yes, ma'am, I'm calling her. She lost her connection. She'll reconnect in a while.
Okay, fine. All right. Okay.
Hello everyone, a very pleasant good morning to all of our respected teachers and our juniors as well. So I'm Ankit Kumar from second year. Actually, ma'am has got some network error. So till time she rejoins, let us have a look over the presentation. Actually, while communicating with you all, I got to know that many of the students have issue and want to know about the college, how it looks, where we have to go, where we have to sit, how will the classrooms look like, and other things. So I have tried to make a virtual tour of the college. So till the time ma'am rejoins, and let us have a look over the video which I have prepared for all of us. She will explain this also to you. Okay, so this is the virtual tour. Let's have a look over it.
I've joined back. Sorry, there was a glitch.
So I hope you guys liked the video and got to know something about the college which I have prepared. So now over to Shalu ma'am, so that she can continue.
Thank you, Ankit. Mm. Am my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. For semester 1, if you can go back. Now is it fine? Okay, chalo. So for this semester 1, if you notice, we have also given you the bifurcation. There's internal assessment, there's practical, and there's written exam. So for financial accounting, you have an internal assessment of 25 marks. You have practical exam on tele for 20 marks. You have lab classes for this, and Dr. Jitendra Goyal will take these lab classes for both the sections. And you have a written exam, final exam, theory exam, I should say, for 55 marks. For business law, there's internal assessment of 25 marks, and your theory exam is for 75 marks. Now, in general electives, we have economics and physical education only. I think BCom honors students mainly opt for economics, but yes, you can opt for other options, but we generally suggest that economics is a good choice. And for this, again, there's 25 marks as internal assessment and 75 marks are allotted for theory exam. But physical education, there's a difference where there are 25 marks allotted for your practical and 50 marks are allotted for your theory exam. And likewise, your AECC paper on environmental studies, you have 25 marks for internal assessment and 75 marks for theory exam. Yeah, I will share, Pranchu, I'll share these screenshots, don't worry. And these recording will also be shared with you. Okay. Next slide for semester 2. So once you clear your semester 1, you will have again same structure is there. Core paper, 2 core papers. You have corporate accounting, corporate law. इसमें कोई practical portion नहीं है. 25 marks are for internal assessment and 75 marks are for theory. And as far as general elective is concerned, here we have economics. Again, उसमें भी 25 marks का there is internal assessment and 75 marks का theory है. Only difference is in physical education. And here AECC paper में we offer English. And English में there is 25 marks are for internal assessment and 75 marks are for theory. Is that clear? Is that clear to all of you? Okay, so next slide talks about your timetable. Thank you, Harsh. All right, Kesar. Okay, so this is how your timetable looks like. And if you notice, then जैसे ग्रुप पे आ रहा था कि ये पेपर, अब पेपर मैंने टाइटल्स आपको बता दिए. आपके 2 कोर पेपर्स हैं सेमेस्टर 1 में, दैट इज फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग एंड बिजनेस लॉ. और आपका जनरल इलेक्टिव इकोनॉमिक्स, mainly by large people opt for economics only, and we also suggest for economics. तो वो सपना यादव मैम लेंगी. और then you have AECC paper that will be taken by a faculty from zoology department. He is not from our department, he is from zoology department. He is Abhay Pratap Singh, APS करके. Just zoom in this timetable and or you try to figure out. जैसे HB लिखा हुआ है तो हमने इसको डिटेल में बताया हुआ है नीचे कि HB stands for हनीशा भगत, JG stand for Jitender Goyal, AKS stand for Ankit Singh, YS stand for Yas Sen, SY is Sapna Yadav ma'am. ठीक है, APS is Abhay Pratap Singh, and subjects BL is for business law, EVS is for environmental studies, FA is for financial accounting, GE is for general elective. Now in some boxes you will find that there is a division. There is this vertical division. So when we conduct our classes, there are you have lecture classes and you have tutorial classes. So lectures में the whole class attends the lecture together. Okay, in tutorials we divide your class in 4 equal groups. 4 equal मतलब roll number wise हम 4 पार्ट्स में, अगर 52 है तो फर्स्ट जो भी नंबर है उसको हमने डिवाइड कर दिया. और जो फर्स्ट वर्टिकल है दैट इज ग्रुप 1, सेकंड वर्टिकल होगा तो वो ग्रुप 2 हो जाएगा, थर्ड वर्टिकल है तो वो ग्रुप 3 और फोर्थ वर्टिकल है तो वो ग्रुप 4 हो जाएगा. आपकी टीचर्स आपको क्लास में बता देंगी. डोंट वरी ऑन दैट, दे विल एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. And your juniors are very helping. They'll soon join your informal unofficial groups to help you. I have talked to them, they are very nice, they are very talented. Please make the best use of it. So anyone is ready to help, but don't worry, and in case of any doubt please use your chat box and we will handle them. Okay, so Ankit has shown you the tour to the commerce department. From Ankit's lens he wanted to clear your doubts, because आपको लगता है ना कॉलेज में क्लासरूम कैसा है, ट्यूटोरियल ब्लॉक कैसा है, लाइब्रेरी कैसी है, आप लोग एक भी बार आए नहीं हो. तो अंकित had a wonderful idea and he made this wonderful video for all of us. So I've also talked in the beginning slides about the societies, and these societies are run by the students only. ठीक है, उसके बारे में तीशा बताएगी, बट बिफोर दैट बहुत से बच्चे कह रहे थे कि मैम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस तो नहीं करना चाहते, ऑफलाइन क्लास कब से स्टार्ट होगा, और when will the college actually start. For them we have made, our students only have put my emotions in this video, where I say that even in difficult situations, you need to find opportunities, and COVID times have forced us to explore our the other side, or the hidden side of all of us, and we all could find opportunity. And don't feel disheartened, there are many ways you can do a lot in life. And post COVID, when you say that nothing should stop, and even in COVID times, what all we have done through this video, I have tried to showcase my emotions and what all we have done, so that you should know what our department is capable of. So Ankit, will you play this video for us?
When the world is on your shoulders and the wind is getting colder, and you cannot seem to find your peace of mind, you start to feel like nothing matters. One more fall and you might shatter. Every day you find a mountain you can climb. And all of these things you've been through, the dreams that you said goodbye to, you wonder where this leaves you now. Oh.
Once again, I wish you all the best in your life and thank you.
मैं ये गॉड से विश करता हूँ कि जो भी आपने लाइफ के अंदर अपने लिए सोचा हो आगे बढ़ने के लिए,
and try to achieve more in the new normal world. All the best.
CS की जो आपकी कॉलेज की जर्नी, फर्स्ट टाइम आपने यहाँ पे फ्रीडम और इंडिपेंडेंस को टेस्ट किया काफी लोगों ने, ये एक टेस्ट ड्राइव टाइप का था, तो फ्यूचर में आपको और इंडिपेंडेंस और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज जो लेनी होगी, आई होप दोनों चीज़ें आप बैलेंस वे में संभाल के रखेंगे, साथ लेके चलेंगे.
I wish you success in everything that you want to do.
Our best wishes are with you, will always be there with you. Have a good life, do well in life, scale in life. One thing I can tell you, college days are one of the best times of your life.
Completing 3 successful years of your graduation days. I wish you guys all the luck for your bright future.
Happy, cheerful, and responsible. All the best.
Again, a very best of luck. Thank you. Bye-bye.
भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार. Colder and you cannot seem to find your peace of mind. You start to feel like nothing matters. One more fall and you might shatter. Every day you find a mountain you can climb. And all of these things you've been through, the dreams that you said goodbye to, you wonder where this leaves you now. Oh, as long as you keep on fighting, I swear there's a silver lining. You're gonna see the sun come out. You gotta give it time, gotta give it time. You're gonna be alright. You gotta give it time, gotta give it time.
We were students.
there was no guidance to us at that time. And logically, whatever guidance we got it from our friends, and at that time, even the technology, the internet was not at this peak. So whatever knowledge, whatever information we gather
to address in this webinar, I'm going to be touching a bit upon the recent history of insurance, that is post-liberalization. Where is the industry today, and how do we see the industry in the future? And then I'll come and connect all this with today's topic, which is about insurance for the youth. So, since the topic is about insurance in the youth, how.
So this is all from my side. Now I'll pass on the baton to Tisha. She's a very vibrant, very intelligent student, your senior. And now she'll be presenting on Vanijya and Bodhini and excursion trips. Over to you, Tisha.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. I'm really delighted to welcome a batch of new faces into the department. I'm Tisha Rotela. On behalf of our own commerce department, I'm going to tell you everything about Vanijya. So Vanijya is the departmental society of the commerce department. Like every society, Vanijya also has its annual commerce fest, that is Corpomaze, which comprises of several competitions such as CricBid, Adomedia, IdeaStorm, Brandbola, etc., which provides opportunities to students to think and explore. Vanijya mainly focuses on two things. First is imparting knowledge among students through organizing various talks, workshops, seminars, and currently webinars. Few years back, the society also provided the students with ample opportunities to participate in many interactive television shows such as Agenda, Money Mantra, etc. The society is ambitious to provide opportunities to the students. And what's the second main focus? Well, it is to promote interaction among students. But how do we do this? We do this by organizing events like Freshers Party and the annual farewell. Everything sounds so fascinating, isn't it? Of course it is. Next, please. Yeah, right. So college is a new, this is the right side. So college is a new phase of your life. It's unlike the imaginary college life of the Bollywood movies we watch. Here you will get opportunities to identify yourself, your potential, and everything you don't know yet. But one thing I must say, the one step from zero to hero have to be taken by you only. Next. So after knowing a lot about Vanijya, you must be eagerly waiting to join the society. And obviously you should be excited because wearing the Vanijya hoodie and working for it gives an immense amount of happiness and pride. But how to join the society? Well, the selection of the core team is done by the process of personal interview by the teachers, and the conveners of Vanijya are Dr. Shalu Mahajan ma'am and Dr. Jitendra Goyal sir. Next. So let us know in detail, what does Vanijya exactly do? Vanijya works outstandingly, beginning from the Freshers Party, moving on to the Let's Talk and webinars, then organizing Corpomaze, and ultimately the farewell party. Next. Freshers Party. The word itself creates enthusiasm among us. A Freshers Party is an opportunity for the students coming from different schools, cities, and states to interact with each other. The Freshers Party starts with the performance of your seniors and ends with the freshers. Freshers performance, then get this. All right, let me make this clear to you. In the Freshers Party, a competition is organized to select the Mr. Fresher and Miss Fresher among the first year students. The competition has 3 stages, beginning from the concentration check to a talent hunt round and ending with a ramp walk. I know you are thinking that you have missed this opportunity due to this COVID-19, but don't worry, Vanijya will make it up for you. Next. Vanijya also organizes various talks by the eminent speakers. Last year, we were honored to have CA Neeraj Arora with us, who is a CA, CS, YouTuber, and the founder of Neeraj Arora Classes and Edu91. He delivered a talk on stock market, and we have been organizing various talks since our institution, and here are some of them. Next. So we had talks on global business scenario, financial sector, career and opportunity in insurance sector, investor protection, financial literacy, personal tax planning, GST, entrepreneurship expo, etc., which were delivered by various eminent personalities such as Mr. Sandeep Garg, Mr. R.P. Tulsian, Professor Sanjay Kumar Jain, and many more. During this time also, we have organized webinars on career versus job by CA Pankaj Goyal, webinar on digital marketing strategy by Dr. Ruchi Gupta, and recent webinar on insurance for the youth by Mr. Rajesh Rellan. Next. So, Corpomaze, the annual fest of the Commerce Department, attracts the attention of the students of different departments by organizing challenging events. But why to participate in the events? Look, first of all, each event will help you in boosting your knowledge. Many includes fun as well, and most importantly, certificates, vouchers, and cash prizes are awarded to the run-ups. And yes, this is the major attraction of Corpomaze. Can't find my words reliable? Wait, see the glimpse by yourself and then you'll get to know. Ankit, kindly play the video. All right, thank you so much, Ankit. So, farewell, the ultimate event of the year. A day to say goodbye to our loved ones. The farewell, organized by Vanijay. How can it be boring and simple? We have Mr. BCom, Miss BCom, Mr. Charming, and Miss Charming. This year, we organized an online farewell for our seniors. Hence, once again, Vanijay did something nobody else has thought of and was praised by everyone. Next. So, in this pandemic, when every society was silent and was not even thinking to organize a single webinar, the Commerce Department was still working with its enthusiastic team to bring something imaginary into existence. The department launched a committee. I'm talking about none other than Bodhini, the Academic Events and Research Committee of the Commerce Department, which was inaugurated on 6th of November by Dr. Ashutosh Bharadwaj, who is the OSD IOE. See, this is how we inaugurated Bodhini. Ankit, kindly play the video.
We, the Department of Commerce, has always worked hard to bring something extraordinary. This time, we have come up with an initiative of Bodhini, which means wise, enlightening, and knowledge. It is the Academic Events and Research Committee of the Commerce Department of Acharya Narendra Dev College. The committee's objective is to organize seminars, workshops, webinars, and hands-on sessions along with providing academic industry interface for the benefit and academic growth of students, foster the circulation and exchange of knowledge and insights that emerge from such intellectual work of the committee, facilitate and promote research among students and give them a platform where they can write articles, case studies based on their research work and provide editorial support for publication of projects. We have been organizing various webinars since our inception. We started by organizing a webinar on Career versus Job by CA Pankaj Goel, followed by one by Dr. Ruchi Gupta on top trends driving digital marketing strategies. Today, we are formally inaugurating the society with a webinar on insurance for the youth by Mr. Rajesh Rallan. Apart from outside resources, our faculty is also actively involved in enhancing the knowledge and skill of the students. In this regard, we have a workshop coming up on the 10th of November conducted by our senior faculty member Dr. Surinder Kaur along with Mr. Yas Sen, who is also a chartered accountant.
All right, thank you so much, Ankit. So can we get the next slide, please? All right, thank you. So Bodhini organized its first workshop on e-filing of income tax return 1, which was a great success. The resource person of the workshop were our senior faculty member, Dr. Surinder Kaur ma'am, along with CA Yasin sir. Bodhini is on its way to achieve great heights with the help of its team members. Bodhini will soon have a core team, which will obviously be done by the personal interview. The conveners of Bodhini are Dr. Surinder Kaur ma'am and Dr. Sandeep Kumar Goel sir. Now I would like to request Surinder ma'am to please speak a few words about Bodhini.
Thank you, Tisha. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. So, going by the motto of the college, Beyond Classroom, the Department of Commerce truly believes in all-round development of our students, be it personality enhancement, research, article writing, industry, academia, interface, or some light-hearted stories, poems, etc. And our society, Bodhini, is fully devoted to this cause and is aimed at achieving this by organizing webinars, workshops, talks with eminent personalities from various fields across industry and academics. We want you all to come out of your cocoons and try your hands at organizing these events and not just be the nude spectators. At Bodhini, we are also planning to bring out newsletter of the department yearly or semester-wise. Let us see how the things move. So we would love to see young researchers, authors, poets in you. So put on your thinker's cap and get ready for the Writers Club coming up. See, we at the Commerce Department truly believes that each one of us have potentials to do great things. As the saying goes, there is a diamond inside you. All you need to do is to recognize your talent and polish it. And the college and the department provides you facilities to do this. We are here to guide you, inspire you. Through various committees that you will be joining and working on, accordingly, you will be able to recognize your talent and improve your personality. That is what the purpose of the college is. That is all-round development. Thank you, Beta.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those encouraging words. Next slide. So, Entrepreneurship Lab and the Commerce Department are interlinked. Does this make sense? Of course that makes. Let me tell you how. A majority of students in the E-Lab are from Commerce Department. But how? Like, do they get any advantage in the selection process? Of course not. The work E-Lab does is already known to the Commerce students. E-Lab works similar to a company since it has various departments such as tech, human resource, public relations, data management, etc. And to some extent, these things are already known to the Commerce students. From my personal experience, I must say one thing, that E-Lab and the Commerce Department both works as a learning and executing places at times. See, in the Commerce Department, you are given the knowledge of accounting, human resource management, various business and corporate laws, which you can hence apply in the entrepreneurship lab. When you work in the E-Lab, you will identify a lot of your skills which were earlier hidden inside you and which may be due to the lack of opportunities you got in the school. And a lot of successful entrepreneurs have been the alumni of the E-Lab and the Commerce Department too. I'm not saying you to be the entrepreneurs. You may have some other goal, and that's totally okay. But skills such as confidence, interpersonal skills, leadership qualities, communication skills are required at every place. Eventually, I must say that in order to implement what you learn from the Commerce Department, there cannot be any other better society than E-Lab. And like honestly speaking, I have grown a lot since I joined E-Lab. I identified my strengths, weaknesses, and everything from E-Lab. I gained the skills from E-Lab, and now I'm implementing it in the Commerce Department. So now I would like to request Sangeeta ma'am to please take over.
Good morning, everyone. I'm waiting for the slide, Ankit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Can we just move on, Ankit? These are all pictures from various excursions, and I have to take over I have to talk about the alumni. I'm just waiting for that. Yeah, there you go. So good morning, everyone. I'm Sangeeta Relin, and it gives me immense pleasure to talk about the alumni initiative of our college. Education, as we all know, plays a very vital role in shaping a person's life and personality. Educational institutions, by virtue of being the medium of imparting education, therefore become very critical to the process. We, the Commerce Department of Acharya Narendra Dev College, can proudly say that we have been successful in not only playing the part, but playing it to perfection. Since the time the first batch passed out, every year our students, our alumni have done us proud. From their initial placements to successive career progressions, our students have scaled heights. As you will see in the slides that we will be showing to you, the alumni of the Commerce Department are part of some of the most prestigious organizations all over the world. If we have an Abhishek Jain from the batch of 1996, who is now the Managing Director of KPMG US, then we also have a Dinesh Bhatia, batch 2001, who is the Finance Head of Microsoft, again in the US. There is a Parul Malhotra, batch 1996, who is the Senior Area Director with Marriott International, and Ritika Sapra, batch 2006, who is the CFO with Coty International in Singapore. Not only jobs, but even as far as further studies are concerned, our students have joined the best institutions across the world. Abhishek Tayal, batch 2010, joined the Columbia Business School in the US. Sachi Singh, batch 2014, joined the Babson College in the US. Ashcharya Khanna, batch 2006, went to the Cass Business School in London, and Kunwar Singh, again from the same batch, went to INSEAD in France. Several others joined prestigious institutions in India, like the IIMs, the Indian Business School, IMT Ghaziabad, Delhi School of Economics, to name a few. Most of them are successful CAs, lawyers, bankers, corporate professionals, and some have even joined the teaching profession. The faculty, as you will realize in the 3 years that you spend with us, is extremely forthcoming and ever ready to be of help and assistance to the students. We make sure to go beyond the classroom to be there for our students at all times and under all circumstances. The nurturing and supportive environment gives them the confidence, the belief in themselves to go out and blossom. We have a strong network of our alumni, which we have built over the years. To keep in touch, every year, the college organizes an alumni meet in the month of February, where the ex-students come back to reconnect with their alma mater. You can see in the picture, these are some of the moments that we have captured with our ex-students. We stay in touch with our students long after they have left us. We are there to give them letters of recommendation, help them with their placements, career progressions, and applaud them for their achievements. We also have a Facebook page where the department and the alumni can get together. It gives them an opportunity to share their highs and lows with each other. We believe in staying connected at all times. Now we move on to some of the messages that we have received from some of our alumni across the world. So this first message, this is Dinesh Bhatia, batch 2001, currently finance director with Microsoft in Seattle, who says that it was college which taught him how to balance things in life, which at that time was a balance between studying and spending time with friends or social setups. Next, please. Sandeep Srivastav from the batch of 1994, and I can proudly say the first batch. He is currently a partner with PwC based out of Dubai, and he says that it was the institution which at that time taught him how to manage himself in an imperfect world, making him more confident and enabling him to value things rather than complaining about them. Next, please. Nikhil Dhawan, batch 2010, a chartered accountant by profession, is a finance manager with a global pharmaceutical company, again based out of the US. He has fond memories of fun, activity, and enjoyment, coupled with assignments, presentations, and exams, which helped him in becoming a well-rounded person who can now balance work and fun. Next, please. Swati Sharma, batch 2008, works as an HR professional in Berlin, Germany. She remembers her time in college as the most fun-filled years of her life, with great teachers and friends which prepared her for the next stage of her life. Next, please. Suresh Kher, batch 2007, currently working in the field of internal audit with Technip FMC. He feels the college was responsible for invoking an interest in finance and accounting in him. The faculty was there to engage students in various interactive activities which encouraged and stimulated his mind, opening it up to new possibilities. Next, please. Shabnam Malik, batch 2011, is a team developer with Bank of America and is grateful to the college for all the support and encouragement it gave her to help her realize her dream of being an independent young woman. Next, please. Parul Thakur, batch 1996, currently Senior Area Director with Marriott International, feels that the faculty was instrumental in helping her build a strong foundation of learning, which helped her hone her business acumen skills, which have held her in good stead in her career. Next, please. Avnish Dave, batch 2003, currently with the Siegfried Group in the US, he feels that the faculty helped in building up his base of finance and accounting. They were always very helpful in guiding him and providing useful insights into the practical side of life. Next, please. Akanksha Mishra, batch 2018, is working as a sales manager with ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, and she feels that the memory of the 3 years that she spent in college bring a smile to her face. The college helped her develop an independent personality, a never give up attitude, and the ability to take up any challenge in life. Next, please. Sucheta Bisht, again batch of 2018, is working as a Portuguese language expert with HP, and she feels the college, with its supportive and encouraging environment, helped her to realize that the sky is the limit in life. Next, we have a short video which was sent by one of our ex-students, Simul Bhattar, batch of 2011, who is now a senior auditor with Deloitte. Can we please play the video?
Hi everyone, my name is Simul and I'm a student of the BCom Honors batch that passed out in 2011. So it's been almost a decade since I passed out of college. And like any person, my college experience was a lot of learning, fun, new experiences, trendy clothes. It was all about that. But I more so got to enjoy that in the third year. So the story behind it is that the first 2 years of my college, I was juggling between my CA classes and college classes, ensuring that my attendance does not fall short. And it was only in the third year that I actually got to experience college life, sitting in the canteen with my friends, studying, taking part in college initiatives. It was all in the third year. It was also in the third year that I got to speak to professors, and they helped me identify what I should pursue and gave me a lot of guidance. Special mention of Sangeeta Relan ma'am. She was the economic professors for my batch, and she is someone I completely adore. I still get to talk to her and take a lot of guidance from her. After college started my corporate journey, I joined one of the big four accounting firms to pursue CA further. And then today I'm working with Deloitte, and I'm an assistant manager here in the field of audit. So I think college really defines you, helps you understand where you want to go, and all of that happened for me as well. It gave me a platform to become a more confident person. Everyone was very helpful, supportive. I think I have some of my closest friends from college as well, so that is something that I relate to when we talk about college life. So I can proudly say that I'm a student of Acharya Narendra Dev College, and it has been a wonderful experience being associated with it.
Okay, so yes, I can tell you that ANDC is a great place to be in. We have built a great legacy over the years, which now you have to carry forward. I welcome you all and wish you all the best for the next 3 years of your life. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, ma'am. Now let's talk about the best part of the college life, that is excursion. So the students of third semester were taken on a 3-day trip to Jaipur during autumn break, which familiarized them with traditional commercial arts of the region at Anokhi Museum. The visit to beautifully sculpted historical monuments was a pleasurable retreat for them. The Jaipur tour was a perfect blend of experiences we had, from visiting the majestic places like the Amber Fort and the City Palace, giving a proud feeling of ancestral richness, to the commercial richness of our handicrafts we saw in our visit to the Anokhi Museum. Our stopover at Chokidani was exposed us to the real culture of Rajasthan, taking our excitement higher. Next slide. Yes, the students of the fourth semester were taken on an excursion trip to Mussoorie Kanatal, Haridwar from March 26 to 30 in 2019. A total of 48 students and 6 staff members went for the trip. In these 5 days, trial students felt very close to the nature and enjoyed to the fullest. All the trial students felt very close to nature and enjoyed to the fullest all the recreational activities that they did in these 5 days refreshed them from daily tiresome life. They got a complete view Himalayan mountains ranges there. They also enjoyed the Kempty Fall. Above all, they went to the Kanatal where they enjoyed wonderful natural beauty of mountains covered with snow and green forest. It is untouched beauty refreshed, revived their mind with positivity and joy. Let's have a look at the glimpse of the excursion trips. I would like to request Ankit to please play the video.
रूह से बहती हुई दुनिया इशारे दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादुई इमारतें हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ
खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ सो गई है ये सांसें सभी अधूरी सी है कहानी मेरी
फिसल जाऊं भी तो डर ना कोई रुक जाने की जरूरत नहीं
कागज के पर्दे हैं ताले हैं दरवाजों पे पानी में डूबे हुए ख्वाब अल्फाजों के
खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादुई इमारतें हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों
All right. Thank you so much, Ankit, for presenting everything. And I'm really delightful to see you all here. Although we can't meet in person, but that's no issue. We have told you everything about our society. And in case you have any doubt, you can contact me or any of your seniors. We are always ready to help you. And if you have any doubts, you can put the same in the chat box. And of course, thank you so much for joining us today. So yeah, you can put the questions in the chat box. We'll be answering them. Or if you want to open your mic, you can do the same.
Yeah, anyone has any doubt, please ask.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3,
Ma'am, the timetable which you showed earlier, it was written that it is for section A. So will the same timetable be shared for both the sections, or it is different for section B?
We'll let you know. In the class, the teachers will do that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Faculty who's taking up their class.
Welcome.
So I think, is there any doubt or we can leave? You are asking that whether online classes will be held for the whole semester. Nobody can predict. It will depend on the situation. About the books, your respective faculty will answer that in the classes, which will be held on Google Meet only. Anything else? Okay, I'll try to find out that. If you want to switch to your society, I'll do that. How many exams? जितने पेपर होंगे उतने exams होंगे बेटा. No, you don't have to prepare anything for tomorrow's class. Your professors will meet you, and accordingly you both can decide. Classes will be held on Google Meet, and we'll let you know about the societies in some time. Do we have to keep your videos on? That your professor will decide, not me. Is it compulsory to participate in societies? Yes, it will be good for your overall personality development. Anything else? Tomorrow 9, and you have professors on the official group. You can contact them. It's between you and the teacher. No, on national holidays, no classes will be held. The timetable shows your GE classes. Yes, there are classes on the time in your timetable for your environment paper. Saturday is working. Yeah, you can. You can join more than 2 committees if you are comfortable and you wish to. All right. Hope you all have enjoyed. And you want to change your email ID. All these things will be handled later. No issues. We'll let you know. Your seniors will let you know. Tomorrow class will start at 9. We'll let you know through WhatsApp group. Yes, I will provide. All right, I think we can sign off for the day. Thanks, Kesar. You've enjoyed a lot, and all right. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, ma'am. Juniors, if you have any doubt, you can contact us, or we can have an informal session as well.
So we teachers will leave, and Jitendra, you can stop the recording.
I'm
Right?
generating another link, ma'am. We will have to drop this link actually. It's quite formal.
अच्छा. ठीक है, that you can do. But
Thank you, teachers, so much.
we faculties would like to leave, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am,
Okay,
and other
thank you.
teachers also. And thank you, juniors, as well, for
Okay.
listening us very patiently.
Thank you, Ankit. Thank you, everyone.